Hey guys, oh my God, what do you do? How do you determine which water treatment company you should choose from, right? That's a very tricky question. So I get lots of emails from all over the country. What can you do? Here's what you can do. Do your research. Check. Do they work out of their garage? How long have they been in business? I know a lot of them say, oh, in the water treatment business for 30 years, and they might have done something for like delivered bottled water. So what you really want to do is research the company and understand, have they truly been in business? How long? Do they belong to WQA or are they a licensed plumbing company? What is their background? Google their address. Make sure they're not working out of their garage. Make sure they have a facility. See how many people that work with them. These are some of the things that you can do to sort of check the experience of the company that you're doing business with. Don't forget, you always want to check to make sure that they have their license and bonded, if that's what's required, and they have a insurance. You want to make sure you get a certificate of insurance from them so they can cover you in case something goes wrong. I'm here to serve you. I'm Drew, the Water Guru.